How to fix Gcash app device is not secure issue. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to fix Gcash app device is not secure problem. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, head over to the home screen and locate Gcash application. Tap and hold the app. Tap the App Info button. This will take you to the App Info section of Gcash. Scroll down. Tap Storage Users. Now tap Clear Cache and Clear Data of Gcash. Once you have done that, move ahead to the Battery Uses and tap on First Stop button. Come back to the Settings page, scroll down and tap Open by Default and make sure to toggle on the button for Open Supported Links. Once you have done that, exit from this App Installer section of Gcash. Now, move ahead or open Play Store or App Store depending upon the device and search for Gcash. If you see the update button next to the application, tap Update to update the app. And once you do that, lastly, you need to restart your device. And once you do that, you can easily fix Gcash app device is not secure issue. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.